Hey y'all, we are so excited to bring you the Q&A for tomorrow. Do you know what the CGE Q&A for tomorrow is going to be?
No.
I love how informed you are. Well, tomorrow we are going to be cooking with our friends. That's right. So the blog that we have coming out tomorrow is really the importance of friendships. And tomorrow, Elijah is going to be spending some time with his friend Josiah, and I'm going to be spending some time with my friend Lynn from the DIY studio in Radcliffe, Kentucky. And so we are so excited because we're going to be cooking together. We don't really know what we're going to be making, but it's okay because we know whatever it is, it's going to be good. So we look forward to seeing you tomorrow, maybe about midday. We're friends, we're hanging out. So maybe about midday we'll see you for the Q&A. Keep you posted. See you there. Bye-bye.